No one in this entire world, absolutely nobody, cares about the content you edit for them. Everybody just cares about the results they will get out of the content you are editing for them. अगर तुम्हारे मीडियोकर दिमाग को ये बात समझ में नहीं आई है तो वीडियो को रिवाइंड करके इसको वापस सुन लो. एंड द अर्लियर यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, द बेटर इट इज फॉर यू एंड द मोर मनी you will be able to make as a video editing freelancer or an agency owner. And when I'm saying this, I'm not saying this just to sound cool, okay? I'm saying this from my personal experience of running a video editing agency from the last 2 years, okay? I made at least $100,000 by just editing short form videos for people. So when I'm telling you something, I am coming from the point of experience. I'm not just bullshitting you, right? So I am here to give you the sad news, okay? I really think 99% of the agency owners and the content editing freelancers are going to die in the next 6 months or so because of two main reasons. Reason number one is that they believe that their videos are the best looking videos in the world. Okay, they are basically narcissists. They believe that if they just edit good videos and nobody else can edit videos like them, people will pay them a lot of money. That's reason number one. Reason number two is 99% of you do not have the required skills to be able to work with or close a company which is venture capital funded. And nobody in this world, not an individual creator or businessman, would be able to make sense of the high quality videos that you are going to be editing unless they are funded and they have some cash to burn. So for those two main reasons, I believe 99% of content agencies are going to die this year. And if you are the one, if you are an editing freelancer, if you are a content editing agency, or if you want to build one, if you want to become a video editing freelancer, this video is for you. And I'm going to tell you 5 things that you should keep in mind if you really want to sustain this industry, if you really want to make some good money by editing videos and content for people. So without wasting any time, let's talk about the first thing. And the first thing is that you need to have a minimum 3 months contract. तुम्हें अभी रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है if you're just starting out, but तुम्हें soon realize होगा that the biggest problem, the biggest bottleneck in any agency or a freelancing business is churn. Now churn is just a technical cool word to explain the concept कि जब तुम्हारे client तुम्हें लात मार के किसी और के साथ काम करने लगते हैं, उसे churn बोलते हैं, ठीक है? So for those reasons, what you need to do is you need to prevent churn in your agency business and in your service business. And the easiest way and one way of preventing the churn is to only work with people who are able to commit you for 3 months. Now, at the start, it is going to be hard for you. You will be like, okay, if I'm no one, if I've never worked with anybody, why would somebody want to work with me for 3 months? Okay. So what you're going to do is you need to get at a place in an accelerated way where you have already worked with a lot of people and you already have some proof of work and case studies, okay? And after that, once you are at that point, do not take any client for 1 month, for 2 months, just 3 months, okay? Minimum 3 months, because जैसे ही तुमने 3 महीने की कोई डील क्लोज करी, at any given point in time, तुम्हारी 2 प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी. Number one, you will know that you will be working with this particular person for at least 3 months. तो तुम उन 3 महीनों में confidently काम कर सकते हो and you can confidently do the processes in your service to be able to generate the results that people expect and desire. That is number one. Number two, तुम्हारी एंग्जाइटी खत्म हो जाएगी, because फ्रीलांसिंग बिजनेस में अगर तुम एक फ्रीलांसर हो तो तुमने रियलाइज करा होगा कि सबसे बड़ी एंग्जाइटी ये होती है कि अगर 1 महीने के एंड में रिजल्ट नहीं आए तो उस महीने के एंड में ये क्लाइंट मुझे छोड़ देगा या छोड़ देगी, राइट? सो यू आर बेसिकली लिविंग योर लाइफ in anxiety, and when you live in anxiety, it is impossible to do the creative work, it is impossible to do the work in the right way, it is impossible to do the right work, right? फिर तुम शेडी चीजें करोगे, तुम लोगों को फॉलोअर्स प्रॉमिस करोगे, फिर तुम उनको बॉट्स फॉलोअर्स दोगे, एंड देन दैट पर्सन विल स्ट्रगल फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ देयर लाइफ, दे विल गिव यू bad luck, they will wish bad luck on you and you will not get anywhere. That is not the right way of doing anything, okay? And so these are the 2 problems that get solved as soon as you decide that, okay, I am only going to work with the person who is going to give me at least 3 months of commitment. Right now, it might not sound logical to you, but once you get there, once you have 4 to 5 clients, once you know that getting clients is not a rocket science, it is about sustaining the company, it is about sustaining the agency without being anxious all the time. So I would suggest you, if you are getting yourself into this, only work with people who are able to give you at least 3-month commitment. Else a random person will come to you, they would have 20 videos that they wanted to get edited, they will pay you some money and then they will leave, they will never reply back to you, right? So they will just treat you as an employee. So I want you to work with people who want to commit to you, who want to actually trust your word on how you are kind of creating content for them, who treat you as an expert and who look up to you for their content creation needs. That is number 1. Number 2 is you need to focus on results. अगर तुम रिजल्ट्स नहीं ला सकते किसी इंसान के लिए तो उसके साथ काम करना, उससे पैसे लेना एक स्कैम है, ठीक है? एंड रिजल्ट्स इज समथिंग दैट इज नॉट इजी टू कम बाय. ओके, यू नीड टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन इन द गेम, यू नीड टू वर्क हार्ड. तुम्हें बहुत सारी चीजें सीखनी पड़ती है कि कॉपीराइटिंग कैसे काम करती है, वीडियो के हुक्स कैसे काम करते हैं, रिटेंशन कैसे काम करता है, वीडियो का स्ट्रक्चर कैसे काम करता है, टू बी एबल टू एक्चुअली ब्रिंग रिजल्ट्स फॉर पीपल. सो स्टार्टिंग के अंदर मत करो ऑप्टिमाइज अपने काम को पैसों के लिए. ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर वर्किंग ऑन गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड एक्चुअली ब्रिंगिंग रिजल्ट्स ऑन दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स फॉर द पीपल यू आर वर्किंग विद. अगर तुम रिजल्ट्स लेके आ सकते हो किसी के लिए तो तुम वर्ड ऑफ माउथ मार्केटिंग की ब्यूटी को एक्सपीरियंस करोगे. लोग तुम्हारे बारे में, तुम्हारे काम के बारे में 4 दूसरे लोगों को बोलेंगे एंड दोस पीपल विल कम टू यू रनिंग वांटिंग टू वर्क विद यू, राइट? दैट्स नंबर 1. नंबर 2, you will not get churn, okay? You will not experience people leaving you even after 3 months. Because अगर तुमने 3 महीने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर भी लिया और लोगों ने फिर भी तुम्हें 3 महीने बाद छोड़ दिया, then what's the point of that 3-month contract? Because overall the idea is to get people on a 3-month contract and do such good work that they stick to you for years and not just for 3 months, right? So what you need to focus on is that you need to get results for people. You need to get really good results for people, and with those results you will also get testimonials, as I said, word of mouth marketing, and you will get good case studies that you can use when you reach out to more people, and you can even charge more money, and you can extend your contracts from maybe 3 months to 6 months, okay? So you need to always look at your agency, your freelancing service business from the perspective of, okay, how do I extend the working contract as I progress in my journey? So that is number 2. Number 3 is that you need to stop working with everybody, ठीक है? लोग डेस्परेशन में स्टार्टिंग के अंदर जो इंसान उन्हें मिलता है, जो प्रोजेक्ट उन्हें मिलता है, उसके साथ काम करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. नाउ द प्रॉब्लम विद दैट इज स्टार्टिंग के अंदर उससे तुम्हें बहुत डोपामिन हिट मिलती है कि अच्छा मैंने 5 क्लाइंट साइन कर लिए, 6 क्लाइंट साइन कर लिए, बट एट द एंड तुम रियलाइज करते हो कि तुमने क्लाइंट तो साइन कर लिए, बट नाउ यू आर first of all not enjoying the work, and number 2, you are unable to bring results for that particular person you are working with. And if you are not bringing results, you are wasting their time, and it is not doing anything to progress your company and growing your company. So you need to realize that optimizing for money in the short term is the worst thing that you can do for yourself. It might sound the right thing to do in the moment, but the more you can resist in doing that, and you can decide and you can cherry pick the people that you want to work with, the better it is for you, okay? Because so right now what we essentially do is everybody is free and open to book a call with us, okay? So I get on a call and मैं उनसे सवाल पूछता हूँ, questions पूछता हूँ, उनके goals पूछता हूँ, वो क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या करना चाहते हैं पूछता हूँ, and then I make a decision कि यार am I even able to help them? अगर मैं इनके साथ 3 महीने तक काम करूंगा, will I be able to make their life better? Will I be able to get them the results that they desire, that they're looking at? If I think that I am not the good fit, I'll just tell them that, hey, like I really think that I am not the good fit for this, and I'll find somebody else who I think is a good fit for working with you, and then I just give them the referral, okay? मुझे काम नहीं करना उनके साथ just for the sake of money, because मुझे anxiety होगी, मैं result नहीं लेके आ पाऊंगा, market के अंदर people will talk bad things about me, so मेरी word of mouth marketing ruin होगी. What's the point? Right? So I'm always looking at building my company and taking the clients from the perspective of what effect would it have 6 months from now, 1 year from now, not in terms of how much money would I make today, right? So you need to stop working with everybody. You need to qualify who are the people that you will work with. You will realize that when you qualify people, you work with better people, you get better projects, you get good results, you make more money, and you have less anxiety, right? So you have better quality of life. So you need to pick people and qualify people. और तुम्हें डिसाइड करना है who are the people that you would want to work with. अगर तुम ये नहीं करोगे, then it's impossible to run an agency, especially the content agency, in the long run, okay? Number 4 is that you need to handle the back end. You need to understand that money is in the back end, okay? तुम कितने भी follower लेके आ जाओ, तुम कितने भी views लेके आ जाओ, it is not giving a person anything tangible. Yes, theoretically tangible है कि तुम बोल सकते हो कि 5,000 फॉलोअर से 25,000 फॉलोअर हो गए, right? But the thing is, फिर तुम बस वही करते रह जाओगे, right? So you will always cap yourself. cap क्या है तुम्हारा, that okay, I charge 1 lakh rupees for 20 videos that I edit for you. I'll guarantee you results for followers and views, and people will pay you that money because you're guaranteeing them followers and views. But the problem is that you need to think one step beyond. You need to think that if I help this person grow, you need to think from the perspective of that if I am helping this person grow, I should grow in a good proportion to that as well. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर तुम्हें कोई 1 लाख रुपए दे रहा है और अगर वो 5 लाख रुपए बना रहे हैं, देन प्रोबेबली यू आर लूजिंग एंड यू आर लीविंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन द टेबल. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू नीड टू कंट्रोल द बैक एंड. ओके, बैक एंड इज वेयर द मैजिक हैपेंस. बैक एंड में तुम अगर किसी इंसान के ऑटोमेशन हैंडल कर रहे हो, तुम लैंडिंग पेज हैंडल कर रहे हो, तुम कॉपी राइटिंग हैंडल कर रहे हो, तुम ईमेल मार्केटिंग हैंडल कर रहे हो, तो तुम उस इंसान के लिए बहुत ज्यादा रिजल्ट्स लेके आ सकते हो. यू कैन कन्वर्ट a lot of sales for that person, and if you can convert a lot of sales for that person, you can make a lot of money, right? That takes me to the final point of this particular video, which is that you need to get your skin in the game. Okay, now what I mean by skin in the game is that you need to be involved in the person's and in the client's sales process. ठीक है, तो अगर तुम किसी इंसान को सेल्स लेके दे रहे हो, you need to get your skin in the game. That means you need to lower योर मंथली रिटेनर प्राइस. तो अगर तुम $2,000 पे आज तक वीडियोस ऑफर कर रहे थे, सो लोअर दैट डाउन टू $1,500 or maybe $1,000 and add your commission on top of the sales you bring for people. So if you bring them, let's say $50,000 in sales, you charge 10% of that sales that you bring for them. Okay, अब इसके लिए तुम्हें बहुत चीजें सीखनी पड़ेगी. You will need to learn how attribution works, how marketing works, how funnels works, how email marketing works to be able to track कि तुम्हारे एफर्ट्स की वजह से क्या रिजल्ट्स आए हैं. सो यू नीड टू गेट योर स्किन इन द गेम. अगर तुम अपनी स्किन इन द गेम ला सकते हो, सो यू आर ऑलवेज मोटिवेटेड टू क्रिएट गुड कंटेंट, स्क्रिप्ट गुड कंटेंट, एडिट गुड कंटेंट एंड ब्रिंग बेटर सेल्स फॉर द पर्सन यू आर वर्किंग विद. बिकॉज यू नो कि अगर उनको ज्यादा सेल्स आएंगी तो तुम्हें भी ज्यादा बेनिफिट्स और इंसेंटिव्स मिलेंगे. सो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर to lower your monthly pricing and add skin in the game, that is commission to it. Because when you do that, you are more motivated to work, because as human beings we are always looking to either thrive or survive. So if you are able to thrive with that person and you have your skin in the game, everything becomes much better, right? So that's all for this video. अगर तुम ये 5 चीजें नहीं कर रहे हो, then I can promise you this year your agency will die and you will not make enough money. Okay, and when I say enough money, I really mean not making 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees a month. Okay, that's not enough money in my opinion. Okay, if you really want to make 5 lakh rupees at least per month, it's impossible for you to do so by just editing videos, because फिर तुम videos ही edit करते रह जाओगे. There is no expertise in it. Okay, so that's how I'm really thinking about it. If you just want to edit the videos, then you will always have cap on how much money you make. So I don't recommend that. You know, that's the reason why I essentially pivoted my entire agency in the last 5 months or so, and we essentially started handling a lot of things for the clients we work with, and we changed and pivoted completely. I won't talk about it in more detail. I have already created a video on it. If you click this card or this card over here, you will be able to watch that video on what we were doing, how much money we made, and why we pivoted, what we are doing now, right? So you will have a clear idea of that if you just check one of these cards over here. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like content like this, you'll love my newsletter. Link is in the description. I send one email every Wednesday around business, growth, and marketing. That's all for this video. अगर तुम मुझे पहली बार देख रहे हो, then subscribe to this channel, because I am posting videos like these every week and I do not want you to miss this. That's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.